Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete a class in Google Classroom. So let's have a look now. At first, open Google Classroom and find the class you'd like to delete. Click on the three dots and click on Archive. Now go to the main menu and scroll down to Archived Classes. Here you will see the class that you just archived. Again, click on these three dots and now you will see the delete option. Click on delete. So there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.